The Volvo S80 II, produced from 2006 to 2016, features standard cruise control. This system is designed to maintain a constant speed without the need to keep your foot on the accelerator pedal. In this video, we'll show you how to use this system. Keep in mind that this is a basic cruise control system without advanced features like adaptive cruise control or ACC. First, accelerate to your desired speed, ensuring you are above 20 to 30 miles per hour. Then, locate the Set button, which is either on the steering wheel or a stalk behind the steering wheel, depending on your specific model year. Press the Set button or push the stalk upward to engage the system. Release the accelerator. Your car should maintain the set speed. If you disengage cruise control by braking or other means, you can resume your previously set speed. Press the Resume button on the steering wheel or pull the stalk towards you. The car will automatically accelerate back to the last speed you set, unless it was erased. There are multiple ways to disengage the cruise control. The simplest is to tap the brake pedal. You can also press the Cancel button. To completely erase the set speed from memory, press the Cancel button twice or turn off the ignition. Cruise control only maintains speed. It doesn't accelerate the car for you. Be aware that the system may struggle on hills, causing speed fluctuations. It also lacks obstacle detection, so constant driver attention is crucial. Only use cruise control on highways and in good driving conditions. If cruise control fails to engage, check that you are above the minimum speed threshold. Ensure the cruise light illuminates on the dashboard. If issues persist, consult your Volvo S80 II owner's manual or a qualified mechanic for diagnostics. The Volvo S80 II's cruise control system is basic compared to modern adaptive cruise control found in newer Volvo models. The S80 II requires manual adjustments and doesn't react to surrounding traffic or other vehicles. In contrast, adaptive cruise control uses radar and sensors to automatically adjust your speed based on traffic conditions. Always remain vigilant and attentive when using cruise control. Even with the system maintaining speed, you must stay focused on the road and be ready to react to changing conditions. Be prepared to manually override the system if needed. Cruise control can be disengaged instantly by tapping the brake or pressing the Cancel button, giving you full control when required. Cruise control is a convenience feature, not a replacement for safe driving habits. It helps maintain speed, but does not handle steering, braking, or obstacle avoidance. Stay aware of your surroundings and maintain a safe following distance. Use the 2-second rule. Keep at least 2 seconds of space between your vehicle and the one ahead, adjusting for speed and conditions.